The Reserve Bank of India today took a small step towards its goal of achieving financial inclusion, paving the way for more entrants to come into the banking space. In its final guidelines for small and payments banks, the RBI has sprung a surprise. In a big positive, promoters of payments bank can now form joint ventures with an existing bank. They are now required to keep 75% of deposits in the form of security receipts and hold the remaining 25% in the form of fixed deposits. Payments banks will also be allowed to undertake remittance activity, among other things. Promoters' contribution, however, has been capped at 40% initially.
There is some degree of synergy between banks becoming partners in the payments banks because they in any case need to figure out how do they play in the new space and where do they play. And so I think people will certainly look at the JV possibilities on both sides.
For small finance banks, the biggest surprise is that geographically limitations have been removed and small banks can convert themselves into universal banks once they meet the RBI's stipulation. But in what has come as a huge blow to the large aspirants who lost out in the universal bank license race, RBI has disallowed large corporates, including NBFCs promoted by them and PSUs, from applying for small bank licenses. While the promoter contribution for the first 5 years will be at 40%, it has to be brought down to 26% in the next 12 years. While the RBI has opened the gates for more players in the banking space for bank license aspirants, it's not going to be an easy task. The fit and proper criteria will continue to remain the key parameter for a license. Not many are betting on a flurry of activity in this space, at least in the immediate future. With Ritu Singh, Simran Gill, ET Now, Mumbai.
Find us on Facebook at facebook.com/ETNow and don't forget to click the like button. You can also follow us on Twitter at ETNowLive. To stay updated with all our programming, hit the subscribe button on our YouTube channel by logging on to youtube.com/user/ETNow.